Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we are making ayoyo soup. Don't go away, let's begin. I have my ayoyo here with other ingredients. I'll be listing all ingredients used in the description box below. So I have all this here: tomatoes, onion, garlic, pepper, palm oil, and others. In my saucepan, I just added water and I've added kanwa, which is also known as potash. And in this saucepan too, I'm adding some palm oil and I'll be frying my fish in this palm oil. Ayoyo is very popular in the northern parts of Ghana, and we usually combine it with tuwo zafi. You can also use it alongside with banku. So I'll let this boil for about 15 minutes so that it is well cooked. If it's not well cooked, you don't get the desired texture of the ayoyo that will make you really enjoy the food or the soup. So now quickly I'll just check on my fish. It's almost done. So I'll set it aside and I'll be adding tomato paste, chili pepper, fish powder, Maggi cube, onion, garlic, locust beans powder. And I'll just stir everything together and let it fry for about 5 minutes. So now I'll be adding my salt, and after stirring it, I'll leave it to fry. Please, you can check on this channel. I have videos on how to stir tuwo zafi. You can watch it and make some for yourself. Now my stew is ready and my ayoyo too is cooked. I'm just going to pour this into my blender and then blend it. You can also use the kebab sticks to whisk it so that it will become smooth for you if you don't have a blender. I have another video where I use the kebab sticks and the results was very great. So after this quick blend, I'm going to pour it back into my saucepan and I'll add some locust beans powder, and I'll be adding Maggi cube and salt. Then afterwards, I'll just place it back on the flame and it will boil for 3 to 5 minutes. So here it is. I'm just stirring it. And after some few minutes, my ayoyo soup will be ready. Now my soup is ready and it is time for me to serve. So this is my tuwo zafi. This is how tuwo zafi looks. I have a video on how to make it. Please do try to watch it and then make it alongside your ayoyo. And I bet you are going to like it. So see how beautiful this northern dish looks. I hope after watching this you do try some for your family. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.